Absolutely. I brought snacks, but there were rules which ones could be eaten and which ones couldn't be. I ate mine, so the rest is up for grabs.
I'll grab a bit of that after.
Okay, you don't want to eat on camera?
I'm smacking my face.
So, you guys got stuff done already?
Yeah, well, Carl was working on the air ride. I did the gas pedal.
Yep.
Kind of worked on that one.
Okay.
I got that working, and then we got the wheels on.
These wheels are beautiful.
Yeah, I think they're gonna need a little bit of paint. I don't know, were they new or they used, Carl?
They are newly used.
Oh, okay. I think the powder coating, I'll need another shot or something down the road, but
Just painted, yeah.
yeah, they probably just tossed around.
They were takeoffs, and then one is a new one.
So yeah.
I don't know if anybody could hear what he said, but
Yeah, I know. Yeah, they're plugging away. It's kind of cool.
yeah.
I dig it. I'm gonna dig it more when he actually gets the ramp on it and he puts stuff.
Yeah, it's been almost a year since you guys have worked on this together, so
Yeah, you got a whole bunch done himself there, so.
yeah.
I'm waiting for the invite when you build the deck, because then we know it's like home stretch.
Yeah. I'll just drive it to your place. We'll build it there.
Yeah.
So what's the plan for today?
Well, not too much fun to watch maybe, but I'm gonna do a little bit of electrical quick and plumb the air ride. So he's got tons of air ridey stuff up there. I don't know if I can get this up. I know I did some work on the cab and we can actually lift it by ourselves now, but I don't know if that's stuck, that side right now. There we go.
Sheesh, that thing's heavy.
It's not bad now. Like, it's actually pretty good. Got the full torsion, good to go.
Yeah, yeah.
The big wheels. So yeah, my plan, he had built the mount here, everything for the tank, so my round now is
Right on.
putting valves in and running hoses.
Perfect.
Yeah, we've got, that is all schwanky dank up. The shifter, I think, will be a feat at that time. Oh, and I'll probably have to remount the computer and stuff. He had to change this all out because he put a compressor on the motor.
Ah, there it is.
So now I'll have to remount the computer and stuff like that.
Gotcha. All right.
Fun.
Well, we're just gonna say hi to Carl.
What's up?
Carl's in the
Lester?
corner. Going pretty good. Got some good coffee.
Yeah, we got the coffee. I'm just designing all the four-link stuff right now. I can say four-link, but it's because I don't really know the term for it. But wishbone top and two lower links.
Sounds like a triangulated four-link you're making for it.
Yeah, kind of, but it's not though. It's a weird link system that's going to hopefully eliminate the bump steers.
Custom link system for the
Custom.
ramp truck.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I will let you get back at her.
All right.
Later. You look like you're about to do something with fire.
I'm gonna burn things.
What? Okay, I'm gonna go talk to Brent. Hi.
Hello.
How's day 2 going?
Is it day 2?
Well, day 2.5.
Yeah, we're kind of plugging away. I'm doing the fun, doing electrical.
I saw a spaghetti rat's nest of wires in the cab.
It's not bad. It's getting organized.
Oh, there's the fire. That just looks cool. Okay, anyways, tell me about the electrical.
There's not much to say.
No?
I'm just wiring stuff.
Okay.
Did the air ride yesterday.
You had a bad ground in the...
Yeah, it was something goofy in that box.
Yeah.
I'm struggling with that.
All right. Well, you guys just had lunch, so you should be pretty productive this afternoon.
Should. I gotta run through here. I gotta figure out how these lights work and stuff and try to wire up all these lights.
Okay. You having fun?
Some of it is. Everything's been a little bit of a struggle. I did get the wipers working and
Oh, right
some
on.
stuff like that.
Yeah.
That only took like an hour to figure out because things were stuck and whatever, but
Okay. Well,
yeah.
this is my progress check.
Yeah. Check in. See
My
if everybody's
check-in.
still here.
Yeah. My job to feed you guys. So
Alrighty.
mission accomplished. And
I know,
let's
you
get
want to look at the fire. Go
yeah, I
ahead.
do. I want to look at the fire. So, I'm getting here. All right, that's enough. Okay, I will get back to my thing and see you later. That's pretty good sound.
All the airs.
I know.
This is suspension's in on the front. No airbags yet, but airbags are all switched up on the back.
Look
Switches
at
are in
that.
the cab.
This
Brent's
is so
done so much
exciting.
wiring.
So today is the last day.
Today's the last day.
I'm stealing him after today.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm very excited with how much we got done. It was like a little bit shorter trip than last time, but we like pretty much finished this truck. Like
Yeah.
it has everything working, like operational. Anything that needs wires is got all the sparks. So
Here, you put this on. Well, I'm really impressed with how efficiently you guys work together, that's for sure.
yeah, me too.
You guys kind of
Makes the
have a...
TV builds like almost like seem like it is.
Yeah, we can do this in 3 days.
We're waiting on parts.
And you guys always have a good time doing it too,
Yeah,
so...
much fun.
Yeah,
It is the best.
Here's where I was looking
it
for
is
that.
the best.
Under the tank.
Oh, the cutters.
Yeah.
Snippy, snippy. Yeah.
Well, I feel like this was a huge win for you, Carl.
Oh, big time. This truck is like everything I've been dreaming about. This truck. Since I was telling Brent, like this cab has been in my life since I was like 15 years old.
That's right.
Yeah, so it's
Yeah.
like, yeah, it's really cool to see that, like, you know, man, that'd be a cool ramp truck one day, or that'd be, and it's pretty much there.
And here we are. Oh, it's awesome. It looks so good. I saw that picture that Brent posted on Instagram yesterday
Yeah,
with it like laid down. Oh my God, it looks so good.
it is. It's a big truck trying to be a little truck.
Yeah. Well, you guys are just going to finish up a few things, and then I would call this a wrap almost
Pretty much.
Yeah, that's
That's about where it
for
is.
this time.
Put some bags in. Make it go up and down a few times.
Give it a little show to be like one of those Tesla cars.
But we'll be back again, and you'll be back at our place again. And
Yeah, I like doing this. I like hopping back and forth and like working on vehicles and just thrashing and making content. Like, it's so much fun.
yeah.
Yeah, it's better with two people. Like, I'm a social worker. I'm a different kind of social worker.
That you are, yeah, that's for sure.
Okay, to come
Well-
back, thrash, do the bed.
Yeah, well done, guys.
Should have the rest of it buttoned up by then. Just need a bed.
Yeah. I'll call you when it's time for the ramp. Yeah.
All right,
So
looking
much for
good.
the Thrash, dude. As always, it's a pleasure working together.
Yeah, it's fun. Electrical, yeah, but
Yeah, not anybody's
It's
biggest
done.
fan, but he kind of took one for the team. He knows full well that he's just better at it.
What was it yesterday? He was just methodically going through every little thing.
Yeah, he's got everything wired, like,
Yeah.
and tagged, even though it's like already hooked up. He's like tagged it in case I accidentally unhook it.
That's awesome.
Yeah, too good.
All right, I will let you guys do your thing.
alrighty.
Sounds good.